There's about 3 or 4 feet of snow under this top layer here, and we went from minus 20 something a couple of days ago to 2 degrees now, so she's real soft, and it's just sinking right down in here. Oh, yeah, she turned over on her side there. I just put the Holmes Hobbies Trailmaster and the Hobbywing 1080 in this thing. It's been sitting for about 2 years now, actually. Burnt out the motor and ESC in it, and just been using the K10 and the Blazer, so got this thing up and moving again. Testing it out here, seems to be working good. Did my horrible booger job for soldering. I gotta be one of the worst people in the world at soldering, and burnt my finger real good, so that's how you know you did a good job, right? I want to take this out in the trails, but there's 4 feet, maybe more, snow out there, and it's soft enough out there that it's just getting stuck everywhere I go. I tried making a video out there, and it involved 3 seconds of driving and 10 minutes of flipping. So we're just testing this out here, but I got some new things coming here. I got a UDR and maybe an XRT coming up in the channel. Oh, we're on her into the swing. I wonder if we can go over that swing. Nice. That is quite the hole. Well, let's see if we can get around this here. I don't think it's gonna fit. Oh, you know what? It's a good thing I don't think much, because I was wrong. Now this here, I don't know how you can see it, because the snow makes everything look pretty white and same. But I got a big jump made here, and it ain't for this thing. So shortly here, there should be some videos of some new rigs launching here. Well, I don't want to make a video that's too long and boring, because there ain't going to be much going on other than this here. But just wanted to get this thing out, get her moving again, and get you guys a video, because we're going to be making videos again here, and it's going to be a lot more than just these little crawlers going on. So thank y'all for watching. We'll talk to you next time.